Welcome back to our fascinating series on the universe. In today's episode, we delve into the mind-boggling concept of the expanding universe. Did you know that the universe is constantly getting bigger?
Scientists have discovered that galaxies are moving away from each other, indicating that the universe is expanding. This mind-blowing discovery was made by American astronomer Edwin Hubble in the 1920s.
Imagine the universe as a loaf of raisin bread baking in the oven. As the bread rises, the raisins move farther apart. Similarly, as space expands, galaxies move away from one another.
It's mind-boggling to think about, but this expansion doesn't mean everything is drifting apart within the universe. Gravity keeps galaxies, stars, and even planets together, despite the expansion.
The expanding universe is just one of the many captivating aspects of our cosmos. Join us next time as we explore more intriguing general knowledge about the universe.